was growing up eating my grandmother's soba, so I wanna keep eating fresh soba noodle. No one else makes fresh soba noodle in Seattle, so I'm like, I have to do it for my family, for myself, and people in Seattle.ここまでの道のりが長かったので、最初にお客さんが来てくれた時はとても嬉しかったです。最初お客さんが来るかどうかも分かんなかったので。My restaurant being open almost a year and a half, I wasn't sure customer gonna come here or not. So I was very happy when I opened the door. You know, everyone show up. About 80% of customer first time here is first time eating fresh soba noodle. 初めて食べるお客さんはみんなすごく驚きますくらいの違いがあるので、そばってこんなに美味しかったんだと喜んでくれます。When I make soba noodle, I feel connected with Japan. I went to soba school in Tokyo. There's no recipe, it's more like a technique and ratio. This is traditional way to make soba noodle from Edo period. That's like old Tokyo, 18th centuries. This is only 15 portions, so I have to make like 7 to 9 times a day. そばを作る時はヨガをしてるような感じで、結構リラックスしてzenな気分でそばを作ってます。Noodle is hard to make. It takes time, so much labor. So I think not many people wants to do it, but it's important culture we are doing in Japan. I cook some traditional Japanese food, but also I use my creation too, so it's half and half on my menu. This is gonna be a albacore dish. I'm gonna marinate it with dashi and served with yuzu miso vinaigrette. I used to work at French restaurant and Spanish restaurant, so it's kind of combining of like new idea. I came to Seattle when I was 19 for school. I like climate so much here. It's so comfortable. It's very similar to Japan, so I stay. Seattle's season inspired me. There's more than 4 seasons. There's micro season, like each 2 weeks, climate change, so vegetable change, seafood change. It's inspired my cooking style. I source local mushroom, like changing seasonally. My friend is professional truffle hunter. I get truffle from her. It smells wonderful.
She's already looking. With me still. So she's doing some tracking. Okay, maybe it's over here. All right.
Already?
Already.
Oh, this is big one.
Wait,
This is stone.
That's a rock.
This is
Nice.
nice.
That's
Good
it.
job.
Good job, Stella.
Whoa, thank you.
Sorry.
Smells so good.
Yeah. This is the best part.
Catch of the day. Smell good. One of the dish showcase my cooking style is mushroom nanban. It's like a ramen style, dashi and soba noodles and sauteed mixture of mushroom on top. そばは家族の思い出です。戻ってくるし、あとお客さんでも家族で来てくれてみんなでそばを食べてくれると嬉しいです。My grandma, I think she's happy. Like I'm carrying tradition to next generation. My daughter is still 2, but when she grow up, hopefully she can make soba. She doesn't have to make money, but it's great if she can make soba.